Good day, everyone. I'm going to be teaching you how to use completing the square method to solve quadratic equation. And I'm going to teach you in a simple way. So I'm going to be using these two questions to solve it. So the first question we solve will be the first one, which is x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals to 0. This is a typical quadratic equation. Now, the quadratic equation or completing the square form, your plan is to put it in form of vertex form. And what is vertex form? I have a video on how to convert a quadratic equation in a vertex form. And vertex form is going to be in form of like this, either this way, a in bracket x minus k square plus k, I mean to say, plus h. This is the format. Either you put it in this format or you put it in the format of x plus k square plus h. So in this format, a is a number that is greater than 1. And in this format, a is just 1. So once you can put it in any of these formats, you are good to go. Equate it to 0, and you get your answer. So what is the fastest way to put it in the vertex form? And what we are going to do here is this. There's also a video that I'm going to be sending on vertex form, but just pay attention how we convert this particular question to the vertex form. So the first thing I do is that I put x here. Then whatever that I have here, I will have it. So if I have it, which is my negative 4 over 2 will give me negative 2, then I'll square it. So that thing that I have here, I will square it. So negative minus negative 2 square will give me 4. And I'll still put this number that is here, negative 12. Then I'll equate it to 0. So from here, I can solve it as fast as I can. Raised to power 2 and negative 4, negative 12 will give me negative 16 equals 0. So I will take it to the other side. X minus 2 square equals to 16. Remember there is square there. And because of the square that is there, I've put it, if you look at this, I've successfully put it in this one. I've successfully put it in the vertex form. And what is that vertex form? X minus 2 square minus 16. So once I get it here, I'll square it. I equate it to 0, which is what I did here. So from here now, I can square both sides, and I'll have x minus 2 is equal to square root both sides, I mean to say, plus or minus square root of 16. What do? I square root both sides, and the 2 is gone from this side. So from here, I'll have x negative 2 is equal to plus or minus of 4, because square root of 16 is 4. So from here, I'll say x is equal to 2 plus or minus 4. So if I split it, I'll have x is equal to 2 plus 4, or x is equal to 2 minus 4. So I will have 6 or negative 2 as my two answers. Um, um, yes, as my two answers that I get when I solve the quadratic equation. You see how that is easy as fast as possible. So the second part of the equation, I'm quickly going to solve it this way, which is 2 x squared plus 5x plus 3. So I'm still going to put that in the uh, um, I'm going to put it in vertex form. If I want to put it in the vertex form, the first thing I'll do is I want to make the coefficient of x squared to be 1. If I make the coefficient of x squared to be 1, I'm dividing all by 2. So I'll have x squared, I'll have x squared plus 5 over 2x plus 3 over 2. Now, from here, I can now do the step. I will now have x. Half of 5 over 2 will be 5 over 4. 5 over 4, then I'll put square of it. Then this 5 over 4, I'll square it. I will subtract it from it. So if I have 5 over 4 square, then I'll still put my number, this is plus 3 over 2. So from here, I will have x 5 over 4 square negative 25 over 16 plus 3 over 2. So from here, I can have x plus 5 over 4 square. Everything here if you simplify to give you negative 1 over 16. Okay, give negative 1 over 16. You can apply it to your calculator or you find the LCM and you get the answer. Now I've put it also in vertex form. Try to watch the other video I did on the vertex form to understand the step well so that it will help you better. So once you have gotten the vertex form, equate it to 0. If I equate this to 0, I will have x plus 5 over 4 uh, square equals to 1 over 16 because I take the constant to the other side. So if I square root both sides now, square root both sides, square root both sides, I will have x plus 5 over 4 is equals to plus or minus square root of 1 over 16. And square root of 1 over 16 will give us 1 over 4. Have x plus 5 over 4 will be equals to plus or minus 1 over 4. Then you make x the solid formula to get your answer. X is equals to negative 5 over 4 plus or minus 1 over 4. Then x is equals to split it. Okay, negative 5 plus or minus 1 over 4. So if you split it, I have x is equals to negative 5 plus 1 over 4 or negative 5, negative 1 over 4. So this will give you negative 4 over 4, which will give you negative 1. And this will give you negative, this will give you negative, this will give you negative 6 over 4, which will give you negative 3 over 2. And these are the two answers you get when you solve. Two answers you get when you solve 2x squared plus 5x plus 6 plus 3 equals to 0. When you solve it, you are going to get negative 1 and negative 3 over 2. Thank you for using this method. Like and subscribe and try to watch the video on the other part. Thank you.